Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I have the 2019 Ford Mustang EcoBoost as well as the 2019 Ford Mustang GT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a video solely on the EcoBoost, a video solely on the GT, and then a video comparison between the two of them. So overall, these cars, they just look so great. They really do. And we'll step on over to the GT. This GT here, it's in Oxford white with ebony cloth bucket seats. The option package is 301A. That comes with your dual zone electronic auto temperature control, Sirius XM radio. This also has the black accent package, which is the 19-inch ebony painted wheels, your raised blade, deck lid spoilers finished in black, painted black roof, 3.55 ratio limited slip axle, so the differential in the back, front license plate bracket, voice activated touchscreen is a $795 option. Base price on the GT is $35,355. Total options totals $37,90 for a total MSRP of $41,40. Same basic key as the EcoBoost Mustang. Go ahead and unlock it here. So it's very, very similar to the EcoBoost. Except you don't have, this isn't the premium package. You still have the screen, however you have the analog gauges. I'll shut up for a bit while I do this startup. Oh yeah. It sounds killer. It really does. So you still have the same, shut it. You still have the basic Sync 3 system. If you have the base model, you have an even smaller screen with buttons all on the side. Same basic system as what's in the EcoBoost. This does not have the heated steering wheel. Your nav, if it was so equipped. All your different options. This you can also configure in the display. You have your gauge mode, your settings, driver assist, so you have hill start assist, rear park aid, your track app, so this has the acceleration timer, brake performance, line lock is locked out, launch control, lap timer, rev match, different gauge modes, your tire pressure, air fuel ratio, cylinder head temperature, inlet air temperature. So say you want your cylinder head temperature, you can go ahead and pull that up. Your air fuel ratio, engine oil pressure, voltage of your vacuum, and all that great stuff. The seat does come embossed with Mustang, and they're very comfortable seats. They're very, very well done. Still have the climate control down there. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and cut to the drive of these two cars. I don't think you can drive this car and not smile. I honestly don't. gotta be careful though. It's not slow. Nope, not at all. That is absolutely absurd. This is a heck of a car. The EcoBoost and the GT are two totally different cars. They're worlds apart. The EcoBoost seems like a much more European car than it is. It's still that American muscle car, but it has the handling characteristics, you know, it's the turbocharged 4-cylinder, everything of a European car. This is just a big American sledgehammer of a car. It's just the sounds there, you know, it's an occasion every single time you drive it, and it's almost way too much for public roads. You know, this belongs out on a track somewhere. It's you know, worlds apart. here's my thoughts on the comparison between the EcoBoost and the GT. The EcoBoost and the GT that are featured in the video, they're right around the same price. The EcoBoost has a sticker price of $36,000. This has a sticker price of around $40,000. So it's really the closest that you're gonna get, except, you know, if you were to go EcoBoost Performance Package and add absolutely a ton of options. The EcoBoost that we drove, that's a very high options model. So my exact thoughts are, if you're going for a daily driver, get the EcoBoost. The clutch is a little bit easier to use on a day-to-day basis, and there's much more features for your money, and the performance is still there. If you're looking for a second car and a weekend car, you know, don't care about features all that much and just want the motor and that sound, get the GT. GT all the way. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll leave a link to Autofair's website as well as the salesman here. All of his information will be down in the description box below for any questions on the car and if you want to purchase the car. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.